Hey, I'm back. Did you miss me? It's Logan Browning, and we are here for session 4 of our Skin Barrier Bootcamp. Now that we've learned how to protect our skin barrier with nourishing cleansers and gentle exfoliants, we are going to talk about how to help strengthen your skin barrier. First things first, essential fatty acids. They are your MVPs. You know, as we age, our skin is losing the fatty acids that smooth the cracks on the surface of our skin barrier. It's so important that we help replenish those fatty acids back into our skin with ingredients like those found in True Botanicals Pure Radiance Oil, okay? This baby is packed to the brim with essential fatty acids from skin barrier loving ingredients like kiwi, papaya, and chia seed oils. Chef's kiss. Second, the best offense is a good defense. So help your skin barrier fight off free radicals and repair damage with an abundance of antioxidants. Examples of these are astaxanthin, vitamin C, and chabula, which is one of the most potent cascading antioxidants that the skincare world has ever seen. True Botanicals work so hard, y'all, to pack and squeeze as many antioxidants as they possibly can. It's like what you're doing when you're traveling to New York, like trying to fit everything in that carry-on. That's what they're doing with antioxidants. For example, instead of a water, they use an antioxidants-rich green tea base in their nourishing cleansers. Third, when your skin barrier is in need of repair, support it with occlusive moisturizers. Occlusives create a protective layer on the surface of your skin that's preventing water loss. Love this brand new Chabula Extreme Cream. It's formulated with breathable occlusives like rosehip oil and calendula oil. They're gonna bring that moisture back into your skin and lock it in. I recommend using natural plant-based occlusives. They're gonna allow your skin to breathe instead of those synthetic ones like waxes or petroleum jelly. They're just gonna clog your pores and cause congestion. So, in short, look for facial oils and moisturizers that are prioritizing ingredients rich in essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and breathable occlusives. Since I've done that and switched my skincare routine to favor these ingredients, it's incredibly helpful in my skin barrier. It's so strong, it's so supple, it's so glowy. Our last session of Skin Barrier Bootcamp is all about the important role of skin barrier and what it does in terms of preventing breakout. Yeah, she's an adult, but somehow she's still breaking out. I'll see you there.